Okay, so we are going to start with the network analysis, and this question basically came in the Project Management 2023 final exams. So how the network is being prepared and how the critical path has been calculated, today we are going to do that. So now let's start that two things have been given, that is activity and duration. Or activity, generally activity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are basically the activities and these are the events. So the events are basically there in the circle. So first we will start drawing the events. So first, always it is 1. So this is event 1. So from event 1, the activity that is being carried out is from event 1, second. So this will be the second activity. It goes like this. And the arrow is being formed that from 1 it goes to 2. Now from 1, even third activity is being there. So from 1 to 3. Now the duration which is being mentioned here on 1 to 2 is 15. So we will write the duration here, that how much the time is being taken to complete that particular activity. And then from 1 to 3 activity, the duration is basically 20. So we will write here the duration. After that, from second activity, the third activity, they both are also linked and the duration is 10. So from 2, the third activity is also being there and the duration is basically 10. After that, from the 2 event, the fourth event is basically being there. So we will write here 4. And the time period from 2 to 4 is, that is the duration is 12. From 3 to 4, it is 06. So the duration we have written, that is 06. From 4 to 5, the last activity that has been completed, it is 5. From 4th, it is 5 and the duration is 10. So this is basically our network diagram. This is network diagram. So we have completed the very first part, that we have drawn the network diagram. Now we will calculate the critical path. Now critical path, under the critical path, we will calculate the number of paths that have been there in this particular network diagram. So the first critical path is A, that is 1, 2, 4, 5. That is 1, 2, 4 and 5. From the start of the event till the end of the event, whatever the activities are carried out, that we write in the critical path. The second is basically 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. And now here the third path is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what we will do, we will write the duration of each path. From 1 to 2 it is 15. From 2 to 4 it is 12. Then from 4 to 5 it is 10. So the total is, that is 22, 37. 37 is the total, then 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. Here it is 20 plus 06 plus 10. So the total is 36. And the last is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15 plus 10 plus 06 plus 10. So now here the total is basically 41. So the critical path, that is the longest path which we say, that is the C1 is our critical path, because it is taking the longest time to complete the whole network or the whole project. So under this the main focus will be on the critical path. Thank you.